So, welcome once again. Good morning and good afternoon and good evening, depending the time you view this video. Please, if you find this video that you're about to watch very helpful, please subscribe and like and share. Comment on it so that I'll comment the kind of next video that you want us to do, challenges, so that you can do a video that will help you and resolve it. Please, but in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to log in on your e-learning portal. E-learning portal with your student portal is there already. So now I'll make everything easy for you to without you going to another website to the other website confusing you. But this one, they have make everything easy for you. I believe you have watched our video where we teach you how to log in on your student portal and put your password and also fill up this here. So now I'm going to feed this into here. Please subscribe. So let's try and finish as sorry, oh, this network. Okay, they have already changed. When I was clicking before, I don't want to change before, but now make it easy for me. In case if you don't like the word they give you or you waste traffic, you can also change it here in case. So I'm going to log in, cancel. I'm going to change it because I don't know what's in the center here. Keep on changing until you find the one that is easy for you. I cannot find this. You can change as many as you want, so don't be scared. This capital is so small, okay. Z. So if you log in now, so you can go through this information from National Open University, how to download, blah blah blah. So I click here. You can also read this information about some people that have practical examination course. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you main thing that we are here. So I'll be showing you how to log in your e-learning portal direct from your student portal. You can see it here: learning space, my course, registry, bursary, orientation. All these things have their own. All these buttons here have their own work. So but here I'm going to click on this learning space. Let's go. So it's taking us to our learning space. And before I have come here before this morning. Yes, I've checked this thing before. So they will not directly take you here. You must log in with your password you use. If you are a returning student, you use the password before. Or if you are a new student, you use default. And you use a username as your matric number and password as default. Hope you are getting me. So as I said, returning student, you have to put your password first before they take you into here. And remember that you have a app that called this when you download on your iPhone or your Android phone or your Play Store, something like that. So before you put your email, your student email there for you to start generating the verify code they'll be sending to you here. So now I'm going to input the code they are sending to me on the app. I'm coming. So they have sent the code to me on app, normally generated by itself. I'll play this in login. Bad network here. can refresh this if it's delaying you. Can refresh it. The network is bad here. So I have logged in, successfully logging here. Successfully logging. So look at my e-learning portal. Remember that, see where we click learning space. I not go to start typing e-learning portal, separate it for me to come here. So they have put all the whole website for you in one place. Before all these things have their own website that you can be going. My progress, support, all those things have their own website before, but everything is now here. You can send now email for challenges you are facing. You can generate your support ticket. Please stop projecting your word that you know that you can do for others to do for you, and they will be you. This is what now is avoiding for you. They want you to be doing things by yourself, and some people will go out outside there and telling people that now is charging them much money. No, now is not responsible for all those things. You are the one that is costing it. But everything, all this website is meant for you. It's free. You just buy your data, maybe 100 naira, 200, 500, depending on what you want to do on the site. Then come here and do what you want to do. It's for free. And read your book, do your TMA by yourself. So now, as we have successful login on our student portal, you just come here and click on learning space. They will take you in this by dashboard. You need dashboard. You have to log in for your organization. Put your matric number and your password, and also put the code, identification code, for you to come here. If you don't have it, they will still send you video for you to watch to guide you how to do it. It's very simple. It's very simple. So stop giving, my advice here is stop projecting this to others to do for you. You can do it. If you have any challenges, go to your study center, go and rectify it. You can do all those things by yourself. So now, as you can cancel it. If you're using phone, you can also cancel it. So as you have logged in here in your student portal, so here we go. So you're now looking for what we are searching for, and this is our calendar here. If we have any facilitators, you will see they will mark as dots. But for now, we don't have anything, any until some students registered on the announce the official stop registration. Registration is going on smoothly and very nice. So if you have it, you will see dots here. When you have a facilitator, you will see dots. So you keep on checking your now e-learning portal for you. You can also import or export this calendar. So now, if you register for this semester, this is your courses. They will be uploaded, and if you register newly, you will not be expecting your course to appear immediately on your e-learning portal. You have to give it like 7 days. For new students, yes, don't be rushed. Just calm down until 7 days before they will upload your courses on your e-learning portal. And if you are a new student and you want to come here you are hurried for you to come in, but you have to wait for another 7 days again for them to generate your default password. And before you must, and after you put that default as a password, they must force you to change password immediately. So now, as a returning student, you know how you are doing it. So I don't want to start teaching you how to do it again. So now, if you come here, you click on site home. Site home is loading. So this is how to do it. It's very easy. It's very easy. And I also encourage you for you to download Now app. Here you can download the mobile app for you to get access to all those things directly. Even in Now app, you don't need the website again. You don't need to come start going to your Chrome, your Opera menu, all those things too. You can go there directly and log in and start doing everything else. So look at my, sorry for this error I'm getting here. The network is very bad. The network is very bad. So what I was saying about this app here, when you click it, it will prompt you to download it, and you can also navigate here, play with all those things, and see what you are looking for. Thank you for what